bring you guys another hair review, and today's hair is courtesy of Yolova Hair. I know it says Ebony Diva on the box, and I'm not too sure about why it says that, but this hair did come from Yolova Hair, and I would just like to say thank you to Yolova for choosing me to review your hair. So, as you guys can see, it came in a lovely bag. It came with that nice wig cap with 2 in a pack. It came with these lashes. Y'all know I'm not going to use them. But it also came with tweezers, and I thought that was really nice. And now here is the unit. And it is a 20-inch 13x4 Jerry curl lace front wig with 180 density, and it is a piano honey blonde human hair wig. And yes, you guys, I am reading off the specs. Y'all, look at this. It comes with the 4 combs in the back, as well as the little tabs that I usually cut off, and it comes with a lot of just wonderful parting space, and the baby hairs are immaculate on this unit, y'all. Just look at that color. Beautiful. Okay, you guys, so this is the unit on. I must say, you guys, that this unit is a very beautiful, you guys. I did get a little bit of shedding, not a whole lot of shedding, but just a little bit of shedding that I did receive while brushing this hair out, because before I sprayed it down with water, y'all already know my little handy dandy water bottle, before I sprayed the hair down with water, I did comb the curls out. And you guys, I also stuck this unit down, and I'm looking up here at my desk because I'm trying to see. I stuck this unit down, you guys, with my Got to Be Ultra Glue Invincible Styling Gel. Y'all, I forgot I had this, but I did use this to stick the unit down, as well as I used it to mold my baby hairs down. And you guys, my edges, they don't move. My edges are not moving, you guys. The little baby hairs that I created for this unit, y'all, they're not moving. This wig, she not coming off, like she's not shifting. So I don't know why I just found my own little Got to Be glued again, but y'all, she was just thrown away in my my little hair. I have a little container full of hair supplies, and I found this in there, and I said, oh, you know, everybody on YouTube be using this, so let me go ahead and pull mine out and see what the hype is about. And believe the hype, you guys, believe the hype, because this unit is not going nowhere. But I did, like I said earlier, I did receive a little bit of shedding while brushing the hair out, but it wasn't a whole lot of shedding like how some units shed. This unit is very full. As you can see, I only wet the front parts of it so you can see the curl patterns, but back here is how the hair looks when it's combed or brushed out. This is how the hair looks. This hair color, the way that the hair came colored, is so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. I don't know how to bleach knots, so I didn't bleach any of the knots on the unit. So this is just the unit with a little bit of powder foundation on. And yes, you guys, I love it. This unit is so beautiful. It's so soft. It came with no smell whatsoever. I love this unit, y'all. It's giving Beyonce. It's giving Beyonce in her baby boy video. It's giving, I want to go and find a dude that looked like Sean Paul so that I could do the dance that she was doing in that music video. So yes, I really love this hair, you guys. And as always, y'all know I will leave the link down below in the description box for this unit. And also, you guys, I have a little surprise for you. If you use my code Danny, you will receive some coins off Now, if you have been a follower of my channel, you already know how I feel about coins off. You already know how I feel about good deals. So go ahead to Yolova's website and use the code Danny and get you some coins off. Get this unit, y'all. Get this unit, because this is something that you need in your collection. Because, honey, when I say I am feeling... Honey, you can't tell me nothing right now. And when I say nothing, I mean absolutely nothing. This is a Danny approved unit. Make sure that you guys go pick it up and use my discount code Danny to get you some coins off. As always, thank you guys for coming through, checking out my video, and rocking with me. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join the tribe. All right, you guys.